Let's have a conversation. If you are going to ask about living in abroad countries to your friend, how do you place your questions in Limbu language and what could be the possibilities to answer the questions? To be perfect, you need to listen carefully, pause the video and repeat the voice. Asewaro adangba adangmasi. You are welcome to online Limbu tutorial, Learn Limbu language with Sonsabi Suba. Would you like to live abroad? Kene lamdi ko yungma sira ke dhangbi? Kene lamdi ko yungma sira ke dhangbi?
Sorry, what do you mean? Let me the papma ke gutu babe. Let me the papma ke gutu babe. Let me the papma ke gutu babe.
Okay. Would you like to live in another country? Nube, kene we laje o yungma sira ke dhangbi? Nube, kene we laje o yungma sira ke dhangbi?
Why not? Theang asira medang ninbe. Theang asira medang ninbe.
Let us try in Limbu to Limbu. Kene lamdi ko yungma sira ke dhangbi?
Let me the papma ke gutu babe.
Nube, kene we laje o yungma sira ke dhangbi?
Theang asira medang ninbe.
Now, let us try slowly. Kene lamdi ko yungma sira ke dhangbi?
Let me the papma ke gutu babe.
Nube, kene we laje o yungma sira ke dhangbi?
Theang asira medang ninbe.
Lamdik means abroad, foreign, outland. Here, yungma, live here. Let me means sorry. Nube, okay, okay. We laje, abroad, another country. Theang, why?